Hello everyone, welcome to this video, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can use the auto scroll feature on TikTok. So in order to use this, it's really easy. The first thing you're going to do is going to go into the App Store and make sure that your TikTok is updated to the latest version, because this is a pretty new feature. Then what you're going to do is you're going to open the app, simply click on open. Then what you're going to do is you're going to wait a few seconds and you will see your first video pop up, of course. Then you're going to simply hold down your screen for a few seconds till this menu pops up, and then you will get this auto scroll button right here. You simply click on it and this will pop up. Next post will be shown automatically, and now every time the video ends you will get a new video. Simply it will auto scroll for you every time the video ends. So yeah, that's how you can enable auto scroll on TikTok. If you learned something from this video, I would highly appreciate it if you could like this video, subscribe to my channel, and I hope I will see you in my next YouTube tutorial video.